is Ann Hightower. I am from Detroit, Michigan, and the program I completed is the Doctor of Education program. It was exhilarating to finish my program today, and it was really a show of perseverance and resilience. It was important to me to get this degree for my family because I wanted to show my children that you can do anything under any circumstance. This program was really unique for me because I'm actually a 5th grade teacher in Detroit Public School District, so I'm able to use this not only professionally but personally, and it also helped me to identify how I can help not only my students but my coworkers as well. To balance the demands of this career in my life, I had to really practice positive self-care. It was really important for me to make sure that I was organized and that I put myself first and that I also put my family first and just made sure that I had good self-care and that my family was there to support me. My family was very important to my success. The faculty really helped me get through the program as well as my cohort through the program. They were very supportive, and anytime I was discouraged, they were always there to help me and provide support. I never felt afraid to ask for help. I really want to give a special thank you to Dr. Jay Bernstein. Without him, I wouldn't have gotten through this program. And also to Presley Melvin. She was the one who really truly made me believe that I could finish it and see it through to the end.